Take great care of my natural hair with SBCT. Hey bows and bells, thank y'all for tuning in to another video. I will be demonstrating how I do one of my favorite protective styles, which are the mini braids. So I like to start out my mini braids on clean, stretched out hair, and that's exactly what I'm doing right here. I just finished washing my hair and now I am stretching it out, doing the banding and braiding method so that in the morning my hair can be dry and pre-stretched. So after I have air dried my hair overnight, I like to put my hair into about 6 sections and then break each section up into about 2 subsections so that I will be able to put my hair into like some chunky twists, and it'll be easy for me to basically part and braid my hair in a neatly fashion. Next, I begin to unravel one of those chunky twists and I part my hair and I grab a gel and I just start to gel down my roots and my ends, and I begin to braid my hair down. Normally, I will go in with some type of moisturizer or cream base around this part, but I actually did that step when I was pre-stretching my hair out, so gel is the only product that I use in this video besides water. I also have no problem with trimming my ends. Like, I will cut them if they are out of order or just look weird to me. So that is something that you will continue to see me doing, is trimming my ends. I also like to use these clips to keep my hair in place and from curling up. If you are this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you turn on your notification bell to catch these upcoming videos.